Welcome to Excel Steady. Today, I will be showing you how you can fill down blank cell using 3 different ways in Excel. We are going to be using a formula, Power Query, and VBA Code to fill down the blank cell. So let's get started. For the first way, we will be using formula. Let us first select these range of cells. The blank in these range of cells will be the one we are going to fill down. Go to the ribbon, click on Find and select. Click on Go To. Then click on Special. You will then see a Go to Special menu being shown on the screen. In this menu, you get to select the different type of cell in the data range selected. For our case, we want Excel to select only the blank cell, so let us proceed to select the blank cell. Click OK, and now you can see, we have all the blank cell selected for our initial selected range. Let us now type in equal. We will reference the cell above for those blank cell we intend to fill. In this case, cell B2. Now, at this point, do not hit enter, as I know you normally would. Instead, hold down the Control key and then hit enter. Now you can see, we have successfully filled down on all the blank cell with reference from the cell above. The next way will be using Power Query in Excel. With the same dataset you see on the screen, let us select the range. This time round, we will include the header. Go to the ribbon above, click on Data tab. Click from Table Range. For this pop-up box you see, do ensure that My Table Has Header checkbox is tick. Ensure that the range is correct. Click OK, you will see the Power Query editor being open up. Now you can see, the data range we selected is populated in the Power Query editor. Now, let us click on the header row. Right-click, go to Fill. Select Down. As you can see, all the blank cell has been filled down from the cell above. Now we back to the ribbon, click on Close and Load. There are 2 options over here. If we select the first option, a new tab will be created and the data we have just edited will be loaded into the new tab. The second option will allow us to specify a destination cell we want to load the data to, in the same tab. Let's select the second option. We will now need to let Excel know which cell to load the data to. In our case, we want the data to be at column F. So let us reference the destination to cell F1. Click OK, and you will see that the data has been populated onto column F. Now, we can then select these range. Right-click, select Copy, select cell B2, right-click and then Paste as value. Choose Format and fill the cell with white color. Delete column F. So this is how we can use Power Query to fill down the blank cell from the cell above. Do you agree that it is very efficient with Power Query? The third way of filling down blank cell with reference to the cell above will be using VBA macro. So for now, let us select the range over here. Click on the Developer tab, followed by View Code. The VBA editor will then be open up. We can click on the folder above our worksheet over here, then right-click. Click Insert, followed by Module. A new module will be inserted. This module is where we will be writing the code in, which is this white area over here. I will now start writing the code. Later on, I will then explain what the code does. I will key in the sub-procedure call fill down over here. Then I will key in the for loop over here. And for this part, I will key in the if statement. Key in cell, fill down. So basically, what this for loop does over here is, it will loop through one cell by one cell, for the range we have selected until the last cell in the range. And for this if statement over here, it will check if each cell is blank. And if the cell is blank, the code, cell.fillDown, will fill down the blank cell. Okay, time to run the VBA code and see what is the result. To run the code, we can click on the green arrow here, and boom, all the blank cell have been filled down. This is how the use of VBA code can help us fill down the cell. So we have covered 3 ways we can fill down the blank cell. First by way of formula, second, Power Query, third, VBA code. Do leave me your comment on how this video impacted you or your work. I hope this video really helped you in one way or another. And if it does, do help me smash the subscribe and like button for more video like this. See ya in next video.